class we have discussed how to do the conversions. Like we have studied that how to convert the decimal number system to the binary number system and how to convert the binary number system to the decimal number system. So suppose if I want to change 46 to the base 10 into the binary number system, so first we have to divide this number again and again by 2, like this. 46 is there, make this line for the remainder, then again and again you have to divide the number by 2. So when you divide by 2 46, so you will get what, 23, and the remainder is what, 0. Then again divide by 2. Now 23 is not coming in the table of 2, so we will take 22. So you know that 2 11s are 22 and the remainder is what, 1. Then again divide this 11 by 2, you will get 2 5s are 10 and 1 is the remainder. Again divide this number 5 by 2, you will get 2 2s are 4, remainder is what, 1. Again divide 2 by 2, you will get what, 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is what, 0. Now you have to go in the reverse direction, like this. Like this you have to take the number. So your answer will be what, 1 0 triple 1 0. Like this it will be your answer. 1, then 0, then 1 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the conversion. We are changing from the decimal number system to the binary number system. Now we will discuss how to change the binary number system to the 1 1 1 0 1. We have to convert into the decimal type. So in this, take it as index position 0. This is 1 2 3 and this is 4. Now multiply this 1 with the 2 to the power 0. So the answer is what, 1. Then when you multiply this 0 with the 2 to the power 1, you will get 0. Then 1 into 2 to the power 2, that is what, 4. Next 1 into 2 to the power 3, the answer is what, 8. Next 1 into 2 to the power 4, the answer is what, 16. Now you have to add all these terms, this 1 4 8 and 16. Just add all these terms. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 1, that is 29. So 29 to the base 10 will be your answer. For example, 1 1 1 1 0. This we have to convert into decimal type. So take the index position first. This is 0 1 2 3 and this is 4. Now multiply each and every term with the 2 to the base which is given in the index. Now 0 multiply with the 2 to the power 0. The answer is what, 0. Next 1 into 2 to the power 1, the answer is what, 2. Next 1 into 2 to the power 2, the answer is what, 4. Next 1 into 2 to the power 3, the answer is 8. Next 1 into 2 to the power 4. The answer is 16. Now just add all these numbers. So 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 2 30. So when you add all these numbers, you will get what? 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 2 30. So this 30 to the base 10 will be your answer.